Canadians are definitely more stressed about the rising cost of living. From groceries to gas, people's paychecks are being stretched. Sad times. And unfortunately, owning a vehicle is also part of that stress. Extra expenses, it's just part of vehicle ownership. So what can you do to help your customers feel more prepared when they know they have a larger maintenance bill just around the corner? We asked Canadian vehicle owners what was preventing them from feeling happy about owning a vehicle, and honestly, the top 3 answers should not be that surprising to you. It's the cost of gas, the cost of maintenance, and the cost of insurance. These are definitely areas where your customers, they're going to be looking to cut some costs. So that means that they're going to be looking for discounts or deals when it comes to any sort of maintenance. So how can you make sure that your customers are coming to you for their maintenance? It's a lot easier said than done, but it's just making sure your customers are prepared. Financially, obviously that's up to the customer, but what you can do is help them understand what might be upcoming for their maintenance. But at the same time, your customers, they want to know what you're suggesting is actually necessary. In fact, 62% of Canadians said that they would want a neutral third party to validate the maintenance needs to feel more confident. The next time your customer comes in for service, take some time with them, really explain the future needs of their vehicle. But remember, your customers, they're probably not experts in vehicles like you are, so it might be a little overwhelming for them at first. It may not be an easy conversation, but it's one that will be important to help you create and keep a happy customer.